Hello and welcome. This is Saad Usman. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the condition column feature of Power Query. The condition column feature resembles the if formula in MS Excel. Like MS Excel, we will provide Power Query to test one condition. In cases where our given condition is satisfied, we will provide a specific result value. And where our condition is not satisfied, we will provide another result value. Before going into conditional column feature itself, let's first explore the data. The data comprises of sales of certain products over 2 years with additional fields of sales rep, date and customers. Our objective with today's exercise is to add 3 conditional columns. The first column will specify whether the sales pertain to the current year or previous year based on the dates. The second column will specify whether the commission of 2% is applicable in cases where sales are greater than 8,000 rupees. And the third column will specify the region based on the location of certain customers. The customers Google, Apple and Microsoft are in the North region, while all the other customers will be in the South region. We are going to start by importing this data inside of Power Query. For that, I will click on the data itself, go to data, from table or range. Once we have the data inside Power Query, we can see the different fields. The date field is not in the correct data type. I'll change it to date only by replacing the current step. And then I'm going to add one conditional column based on our first condition, which has to check whether the sales are made in the current year or the previous year. In conditional column, first of all, we have to give the name of the column. So I will type period of sales, and then I will check the date column. If the date comes before or equal to 31st of December 2019, it will mean that the sales are falling in the previous year. The next condition would be to check if the dates are falling on or after 1st January 2020. It will mean that the sales are of the current year. If both of these conditions are not satisfied, then we can just have a blank. In Power Query, we can refer blank with null. I'm going to click OK, and the data type would be text. You can see current year and previous years appearing in this column. So this is the first conditional column. To add the second column, I'm going to click on conditional column again, and this time we are going to specify the commission. Commission will be given to those with the sales values greater than 8,000, and in that case the commission applicable will be 2%. I'm going to write 0.02, and in all other cases the commission will be 0. So let's add this, and in this case I'm going to add this data type as percentage. So you can see that in case of 8,134 the commission is 2%. Let's add the third column, in which we are going to check the location of the customers. I'm going to type region, and we have checked whether it's Google, Microsoft or Apple. They are in the North region. So I'm going to check the customer name. If it equals Apple, then the region should be North. Another rule would be to check the customer again, and if it is Microsoft, the region is again North. While in third case, if the customer equals Google, the region is still North. In all other cases, the region will be South. Okay, if you click OK and change the data type to text, we can see north and south region appearing in this column. So this is how we have added three different condition columns based on three different conditions. And now I'm going to load this data back to Excel. For this, close and load to. In existing worksheet, I'm going to select H11 and click OK. Now we have got this data in Excel in which we have added three condition columns. I hope you would have enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.